Welcome back to another episode of Exploring with Burke and Steph. Thanks for stopping by the channel.
Yeah, well, we're about 24 hours into the huge snowstorm we're going to get here in the Richmond area of Virginia. And we've got snow and we've got ice. Well, hey, we got the most important things cleared. We got the steps, we got the path to the hot tub, and we have my studio state.
Yesterday, I took the drone up and got some aerial shots of that. We will have some comparison there and see how there is no snow on the road there. But then earlier this morning, I went, shot some more.
Oh, yeah. So we got to check out Woody. He's been hanging out ever since the very beginning of the snow, reporting back to me in the form of pictures and how far can you get buried.
Yeah, well, Woody started off having nothing around him, and then slowly the snow built up over him, and now the sleet is packing that snow in.
And hopefully he'll get to Thar before the dog gets him.
We'll see you later.
Bye.
All right, so we are back for 48 hours later after the snowstorm of January 2026.
So we're starting here with some warmer coffee and our dear friend Woody, who has been with us throughout the entire experience and helped us track the progress of snow and then ice and then snow and then ice.
And good old Woody has endured it all. He started out with nothing around him, and now he's got a bed of icicles.
Yep, icicles.
Okay, so that's the backyard part. So now we're back for part two. We're out in the front part of the house, and we've got plenty of drippy snow.
We have no dog tracks out here, so we have no mud out.
Roads are still very treacherous.
They are. Can hear our neighbor over here got this really awesome snowblower. Watch that go through.
Now it's time for clearing the driveway and our cars and all the other fun stuff. We'll see you next time in the next video.
Shoveling snow.
Bye.
Bye.
So we're back for day four of post snowstorm January 2026, and we are looking at the roads.
And I still haven't gotten out of our driveway yet, but I really haven't had anywhere I had to go.
But you've had some fun breaking up the ice with the drill.
Oh yeah, that is a lot. That's one of my new fun things to do in the snow. Let's drill some ice. Ooh, break up, baby, break it up. I got a hammer, got a chisel, I got a crowbar.
Yeah, is it working?
So when I thought I got the most important things covered down with salt and shoveled through, you know, from the back door to the art studio, back door, the hot tub, to the cars, brought the snowblower in, brought the snow shovel, I forgot that I might actually need to get into the other tool shed.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
Put some swing in that.
Get my foot out of
Oh
the way.
yeah.
Now that is one solid hunk of ice.
And I was out and about yesterday and got some dash cam video of how the roads are coming along. And I don't imagine there's been a whole lot of change since then.
Our road really hasn't changed. You can see it hasn't been plowed, which is another great reason to stay home.
But it's going to snow again this weekend, so the forecasters say. So you may be out next week too.
Oh, help us.
We're back for our Saturday to Saturday snow vlogging, except for on this Saturday, the snow didn't show up.
We still have the ice though. In fact, we still have Woody stuck in the ice and Daryl in the background still barking to get at him.
It's been fun having you along while we go through this winter snowstorm here in the Mid-Atlantic.
Stay warm, everyone. See you next time.
Bye.